Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2015 Chrysler 200S V6. What we got done on it for you guys? It's got factory converters up there on the manifolds. Then there's two flex pipes right there. Then we took out the resonator and put a vibrant bottle muffler in its place right there. There's the 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Then we cut that giant muffler off right there and did a Y pipe setup. This side, and we did a custom Y pipe on it, as you guys can see right there. This makes it look really beautiful, really pretty, as you guys can see right there. There's the Y pipe. There's the vibrant muffler. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. There's the gigantic muffler that was on it, and the resonator also. So we put the bottle muffler in the place of the resonator, and then also we took the muffler off right there. It comes single in the middle, then dual back out. That's why you have to put a Y pipe on it. Factory V6. What we got done on it, factory converters up there in this spaghetti kind of piping. Then what we did is a resonator delete, 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, did a muffler delete and ran a single exhaust out of it, just make it sound better, right there, into a blue flame tip. And there's the muffler we cut off right there. And there's the resonator that was on it right there that we took off too. So looks a lot better, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm glad we went with that. Smoothed it out. That damn rev limiter. Again. Sound decibels. Right at 100. It's not that loud, man. Wow. It should be louder than that, though. Sounds good. Maybe when you get on it, you know. Chrysler 200, vibrant muffler, and rear muffler. That sounds good. It's smooth. Let you guys hear on that? Much better. There it is. Yeah, much better. There it is. Here's sound decibels. Again. 112, bro. That's freaking awesome. Yeah. That sounds mean. Chrysler 200 V6. What else, man? Again? Let you guys hear on that? There's the muffler resonator we cut off.